Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this copper and gold glitter look. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And as always, we have monthly giveaways. So if you want to be entered for our giveaway, then just go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment down below if you live in the US to be automatically entered. So first thing that I did was I primed my eyelids with my Too Faced concealer, and I did set it with some translucent powder. And then for today's palette, I'm using my Morphe X James Charles palette. And I just love using this palette just because there's so many good shades in this palette, and it really is a good palette. So first thing I did was I went into the orange transition color, and I just buffed that into my crease. And then I'm grabbing an angled brush and this dark brown eyeshadow. And I'm going to be applying a line of definition in my crease, just going in left and right motions and winging out that outer corner since we will be doing a cat eye type of look. And if you need help on where to apply this line, you can apply it with your eye open and just draw it right where that lid starts to crease. And then I've grabbed this fluffy tapered brush, and it's fluffy, but it's fluffy enough to the point where I still have control over where I want to blend and diffuse that product. So I'm just going in left and right motions over top of that line, just diffusing it and really making it nice and gradient. So when I'm trying to achieve more depth, I like to repeat the same couple steps a couple times, and that way I get the most blended and defined look. So I'm going back into my angled brush, back into that dark brown eyeshadow, and we're just building up more depth. And then I'm going back into the small tapered brush and just going in left and right motions, diffusing that line. And as you can see, we have some more depth, and it definitely looks very, very blended. So I just think it's the easiest way to get a really blended, defined look. So once you feel like you have the desired depth, I'm just going ahead and picking up this angled brush and some of my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. And I'm just carving my lid, and also I applied it all over my lid to get a nice even base. And then I'm just grabbing this small flat brush and some translucent powder. And since I want to keep the lid color kind of nude shade, I'm just kind of going to keep this like this color. So I think that applying some translucent powder over top will ensure that it won't budge at all. And then I'm just starting to diffuse some color on that outer corner. So I went into that light orange transition color, and we're just going to start diffusing those shades on that outer corner. So just kind of feathering it inward, making it the most pigmented on that very outer edge. And then I grabbed this pencil brush and the dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm just kind of patting that onto the very outer edge. We are going to be going into a small tapered brush just to diffuse it a little bit more afterwards, like so. And I'm just kind of, once again, tapering it inward, blending that into the first light orange shade. So next I'm just grabbing that flat angled brush, and I'm just starting to pat that dark brown eyeshadow onto my lash line. And then I'm going to be going into a smudger brush with the first light orange shade. I'm just going to be diffusing that line, and I love using a brush like this to blend my lash line because it's super small and defined, and it's kind of perfect for that purpose. Next, I'm going into my Eye Candy Cosmetics Hocus Pocus glitter, and I just applied this into my crease. And we're also going to be applying this to the outer wing area, and I'll show you guys how I do it. But yeah, I'm just applying this into my crease first, and then peeling off my tape. And of course, every time that I apply glitter, I apply my Too Faced Glitter Insurance Glitter Glue. I like to apply the line of glitter glue first and then apply the glitter over top of the glitter glue, and it just ensures that the glitter doesn't really budge or go anywhere. And then for lashes, I applied my Shop Sophie Bella Bali lashes. If you guys want to check out those lashes, the link will always be in the description box down below. And then I just decided to keep the bottom lash line super soft, so I just picked up the light orange transition color and just diffused that onto my lower lash line. And then I'm going into my Mad Lash mascara by the Balm and just coating my lower lashes. And then I grabbed my Pixi Beauty highlighter in the shade Subtle Sunrise, popped that onto my inner corner. And then, of course, I sprayed my spoolie with some Fix Plus and ran it through some bar soap and then ran it through my brow. And this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching today's tutorial. If you watched it to the very end, thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!